Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. Then go ahead and click on New Incognito tab. Then here you go. You are now on Incognito mode. You can browse the internet in private mode as far as your Incognito mode is concerned. So this is how to on your Incognito mode. However, let's find out how you can turn off your Incognito mode. For that, what you need to do after you have done with everything you want to browse under Incognito mode, click on here. And this is going to pop up like this. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to close the tab. Once you close the tab, you are done with on and off your Incognito mode in Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Incognito on Chrome browser tutorial topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.